To cope with the growing number of sophisticated cancer treatments, we need ever more sensitive technologies that can guide drug decisions. Single-cell analysis, capable of monitoring tumor details, has proved to be the most promising way to obtain the information physicians need for determining optimal treatment. The problem is, existing technologies are based on a single parameter examination of each cell, leaving behind crucial clinical information. A multi-parameter examination would allow retrieval of far more clinical information, particularly important when dealing with small samples. OneCell Medical has used an interdisciplinary approach to develop a technology that will enable physicians to choose the optimal clinical treatment for each patient. Following years of research, OneCell Medical created a mechanism for trapping single cells based on a thin membrane containing thousands of cages. Once captured in this array of cages, the cells lend themselves to information-rich multidimensional analysis. The process begins with the introduction of fluorescent antibodies that target the cell's unique surface proteins. Cell capture is then accomplished by pumping liquid across the cage array. Next, the cage array is coupled with a DNA array for downstream analysis. Immunophenotyping is carried out by collecting light emitted by the fluorescent antibodies. For RNA analysis, the cells undergo lysis, making their RNA molecules available to interact with the DNA array. The DNA barcode functions as the cage address, while DNA strands bind to the mRNA through their primer sequence and extend according to the mRNA template through the process of reverse transcription. Finally, the cage array is removed. The DNA strands now containing the clinical information are amplified, cleaned, and sequenced. Sequences are associated to their cell of origin through their barcode. Combining the results of multi-parameter examination from a single cell provides a far more complete picture of the sample, enabling optimal diagnosis, drug decision, and treatment. Through continued research and further development of our innovative technology, we look forward to adding more parameters to single-cell examination as OneCell leads the way into the future of clinical research and treatment. OneCell Medical. Visit our website to learn more.